we go into the AC system, making sure that that is blowing cold and or hot, depending on the temperature outside, making sure that the temperature within the vehicle is in great operation for the driver and passengers inside the vehicle. We also then look at whatever messages come up in the cluster, whether they can be the service indicator light or the check engine light or anything regarding the warning messages in the instrument cluster. We look at the wiper blades, the windshield condition. We look at the exterior light components like the headlights, the side mirror lights, and the tail lights to see if they're in operating condition. And if they don't work or if anything is not up to standard, we note that in the inspection and let the customer aware of what is going on with the vehicle.